No, not today. I did that last week.
Hey, put
Effort. Hey, just give ourselves a round of applause. Don't you think?
Yeah. I reckon good on Tessa.
Oh, thank you. No, you're embarrassing me.
Good on.
Up Fairfield. That's
What are you doing? Going up a nose at that place?
Okay, now we want to get these over here. Mum, it's alright, isn't it, to take pics of the kids?
Yeah, go for it.
I've got to be very careful about it.
Clean up Australia.
You did good today, Captain.
Captain America.
And that was Maddie today.
Oh, yeah, Maddie. Little Maddie. She did a great job today.
I should make a point to say that these two friends of mine came from the city. Came all the way out here.
Oh, excellent.
Penrith City. Penrith City. It's still quite a drive.
Well, it's still a city. They came from the city. The city, some people would say. We live in Fairfield City.
That's right.
The city before the mountains?
Okay, let's just take a little bit more. I might have to trim some of this because it gets a bit long.
Yeah, which I was going to ask you too.
Okay, look, I think it was a great day today, and it's good to see. It's good to see Fairfield Park get a bit of attention.
have a nice day.
Excellent. Oh, gee, Tessa should be very proud of this. It's been a great day. Yeah, good on you.